Students, in this video we will learning about decimal fractions. So we already learned in previous chapters fractions. So you understand what is fractions. So now the new topic is decimal fractions. Let's see. Decimal fractions mean what? A fraction where the denominator, the bottom number, you already learn what is denominator. Denominator means what? Look at here, 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 means 10 is a denominator of these fractions and 7 is numerator. You already learned in previous class. So a fraction where the denominator, the bottom number means denominator, is a power of 10, like such as 10, 100, 1000 etc. It means the decimal fractions mean the denominator power of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh etc. Anything, the power of anything. So you can write decimal fraction with a decimal point. So you can write the fraction using a decimal point and no denominators. In decimal numbers मध्ये आपल्याला डिनॉमिनेटर नसतं. आपण डिनॉमिनेटरला काय करतो, पॉइंट मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून लिहितो. तो विच मेक इट इजियर टू डू calculations like addition and multiplication on a fraction. So it means what? Look at here, it has 10, so we will writing 10 in a point or decimal fraction. We cannot write the denominator in a decimal fraction. For example, look at here, it has 7 upon 10, so is a decimal fraction and it can be shown as, look at here, this is the 7, so we will writing 7 first. After that it has 0, so we will writing here, इथं फक्त 7 आहे, तर समोर नंबर आहे का, एक पण नंबर नाही आहे. सो आपण इथं फक्त 7 लिहिणार आणि इथं 0 आहे. सो आपण हे दिस पॉइंट्स इज इंडिकेट्स अ डेसिमल पॉइंट ऑफ और डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन. So writing decimal here and 0 as it has 1 0, so you're writing this is 0 here. So it means what? 0.7 means what? 10 upon 7 upon 10. This is the fraction. So we will writing this fraction like the 0.7. Now look at here, it has 43, so we will writing 43 upon 100 like this. First write 43. Okay, so we will writing a decimal point right to left direction. So it has how much 0? 20. and it's some more digit आहे का, इथं some more digit नाही, it has only 2 digits. So we write here 2 digits. Now take a decimal point here and it has 20, so write 20 here. So it means, so this is the decimal fraction of 43 upon 100. So we will writing here 2 digits 43 point, some more number आहे का इथं नाही आहे, so it is 0. So this is the fraction of 43 upon 100. Now look at next example. It has 2 digits and it has 3 0. So we will writing these fractions like this. First write 51. Now some more digits आहे का इथं नाही, it has 3 digits, so we will writing 0 here. Okay, after that take a decimal point here and 0. So the fraction of 1000 51 upon 1000 is 0.051. This is the fraction of 51 upon 1000. Let's look another one example, 144 upon 1000. Now write down the fraction of. So first we are writing 144 and take a decimal point here. It has 3 digits, so you are writing 3 digits, and it has also 3 0, so you are writing 3 digits and decimal point and after 0. This is the fraction of 144. इट्स मीन्स व्हॉट, जर एखादा सिंगल नंबर असेल तर आपण 0 पॉईंट सिंगल नंबर इथं लिहिणार. ओके, किंवा 2 डिजिट्स असेल तर इथं 2 डिजिट्स येईल. 3 डिजिट्स असेल तर इथं 3 डिजिट्स लिहिल. इथं 3 असेल तर इथं 3 येणार. ओके, स्टार्टिंगला 0 पॉईंट डेसिमल नंबर. होप यू अंडरस्टँड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 8/10. So you can write this number how 8.0. This is the decimal fraction. Okay, now 99/100. You can write 99.0. This is the fraction of 99/100. Hope you understand how to solve the decimal fractions. Now look at here. So it has decimal fraction, addition and subtraction. Nandu went to shop to buy a pen, notebook, eraser and paint box. Nandu went to shop to buying 4 items: pen, notebook, eraser and paint box. The shopkeeper told him the prices. Shopkeeper told him all the prices of this thing. So a pen cost is 4.5. The pen cost is 1 rupees. one quantity, एक आइटम एक क्वांटिटी प्राइस है 4.50. 4.50 मीन्स व्हाट, इट मीन्स 4.5 रुपये. ओके, 4 rupees and half rupees. So it is 4.5 rupees. And eraser on and half, eraser 1.5. So the second quantity is eraser, one quantity 1.5 rupees. It is also 1.5 means 1.50. A notebook 6.5. Notebook one quantity 6.5 rupees. And paint box is 25 rupees. Paint box one quantity, how much? 25 rupees and 50 paise. 25.50 paise. 50 paise means half. Nandu bought one of each article. Prepare his bill. If Nandu gave 100 rupees note, so how much money does he get back? Now let's add these things. So prices of all the things are, now we will adding this number 4.50. It is 4.50. Now 1 point, write the number here, and it is 150. Again it is 6 decimal point 50 and 25 point how much 50. Let's add this number. So it is 0 0 0 0. It is 0. It is 5 5 to the 10 15 20. So it has 20. So we will writing here 0. Okay, and it is 2. So it means 2 4 6 7 13 and 5 18. So we are writing here 8 and 1 carry. So it is 30. It has 2 decimal points. We will take a point here. So it means 38 rupees. It means what? 38 rupees. So Nandu will get how much rupees? 100 minus 38. 100 minus 38. So how much remain? Now let's subtract 100 minus 38. We cannot subtracting 8 from 0. So we will borrowing from here. So it is 1 here. Again we will borrowing here. So it is 9. It is 10. 10 minus 8. So it is 2. 9 minus 3. So it is 6. So how much? It is 62. So 100 minus 38 62. So Nandu will get 62 2 rupees back, or you can write this like this, 62 rupees. Okay, hope you understand how to add this exercise. Okay, look at here, it is also overlook this example. We know 1 kg means 1000 gram, half kg means 500 gram, 3/4 means 750 gram, and quarter means 250 gram. Okay. Now we will stop here. Thank you.